And now we will look at how to get your open, high, low, close data in detail. I have a script here. In this script, I have included the elements that are required to get your open, high, low, close data. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. Part 1, you need to create a table. You can name it anything you want. You can call it Lucas table or just Lucas prices, whatever you want. And you must have 2 square braces here. This indicates that it is an array, a data table. We will talk about arrays in the later chapter, so just bear with me for now. So name followed by 2 square braces, and it must be of the format MQL rates. Think of this as a data type. Look at an example in NR 1.0. Look at how I declare this variable, short SMA control panel, integer. Data type, variable name. Data type, variable name. It's just that this data type is a bit special. It is an object, and we will talk about objects in a later chapter. Second part, set data table as a series. Prepare your data table for series data. So just type this, array set as series is fixed, followed by the name of your table, and true. If you want to know what this is, as usual, MQL5, key in the name of the function, look for the docs, and it explains what it is about. The first part goes into setup, second part goes into on init. Alright, ensures latest data is indexed as shift 0. So the third part is a bit more complicated. This goes into the on tick portion. Right now, we are collecting data from our product, the product that we are trading, and storing it into our data table. So let's examine what is copy rates. The explanation is a bit technical, but essentially, you're copying the open, high, low, close, tick volume information into your data table so that you can use it later. The information that you're copying is time, open, high, low, close, tick volume, spread, and real volume. So this is the information you're copying using the data type or object class MQL rates. Okay, let's not look at this. We need to understand it from a layman point of view first. Alright, copy rates. You have some inputs, the symbol you want. First input will be, in this case, we are using this function. Symbol you want, the time frame. 0 means current time frame. Second input, where do you start copying the data from? Let's leave it as 0, means the latest data onwards, the most current data onwards. 10, it means that you want data from 10 candle bars. And lastly, the name of your data table, which is what you created here. There are other ways to copy rates using time, but we will not touch that for now. So by doing this, you have data shift 0 to shift 9, and these are stored in your price data table. What this is quite irrelevant right now. This just tells us the number of data points that was copied over. You will not be using this variable much. Alright, so that is part 3. Once you have done these 3 things, you can start using the information. So I printed 4 statements here. I think it's rather straightforward. I'm not going to explain what it is saying, except for this part. Here's how you call the information. The name of your table, the shift you want, dot the information you want. Close, high, low, open. Let us run this. Scripts. Open, hello, close, fill explanation. There you go. Current close price, high price, low price. Let's look at one example. Maybe the high price of the second most current handlebar, aka shift 1, is 1.21904. Yep, looks correct. In fact, to confirm, yep, it's correct. And the shift 5, the low price, 012345. The low price is 1.21509, and that's correct as well.